Today I'm making vegan waffles. I have 1 cup of flour in here and I'm going to add half a tablespoon of baking powder. I'm going to mix that up. I have half a tablespoon of brown sugar, if I can get that out. Mix that up as well. And I'll just add a little bit of salt. In here I have 3/4 of a cup of milk. Any kind of milk will do. And I have 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Just going to add that to that so it's easier to add to the dry ingredients. I'm just going to pour that in there. And I'm just going to mix that up. The last 2 ingredients are 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. It is a thick batter. And I'm going to plug the waffle iron in now to heat up. When the waffle iron is heated up, you can either spray it, I don't have any spray, or brush some oil on it. This is very thick. There we go. Now let that cook. While the waffle is cooked, I'll unplug that. Sometimes don't always put the right amount on, so it's a little misshapen. And you can put syrup on this or anything you like. I have some blueberries here, and juice too. Woo! They're kind of going all over. And let me get a spoon here. I'm going to put a little bit of icing sugar on it. Very easy recipe. No eggs involved, so it is vegan. So I hope you try this. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. I'm going to have my breakfast now.